What is the crack? Welcome back to the Keane Malone Show, episode 5. I hope you're all well. Let's get into it, shall we? What today is going to be is a Q&A because nobody gave me any topics, but I did get a lot of good questions, so let's get into it. So the first question is by Ian, and he said, are birds real? And that is a mad question, Ian. To be honest with you, I don't know. Sometimes you'd be just looking and the pigeons, they're knocking about, you're like, is there a little camera in there? No, you're not, you're crazy. Just get in the loony bin. Gone. Go away with you. To be honest with you, Ian, I don't even know how to answer that question.